Okay, just fresh from the shower, and I figured I would give you guys another one of these sneeze porn videos. Whoa. And just to show you how I roll, I got a buddy coming in town, same guy that you saw before, but I'm cleaning the boat, and I got a cup of coffee and a beer. I like to let him battle it out. I don't know what happened to my voice. But it's afternoon, so I'm okay. Oh, dude. Maybe it's because the cayenne actually goes into the nostril. It's funny, I blew my nose today after getting out of the shower, and I didn't get any, but now my eyes are starting to water, so there you have it. Whoa! That's not good. And it's finally sunny today. So I got both the slider and the V-slat open, so. Whoa. That ain't going. Oh, here's my cup of coffee. Oh, there we go. That's different. It's something different. We'll call this the sneeze, coffee, beer, burp porn. Whew, man, it's not doing it. Definitely gonna get sinus stuff, but whoa, I don't know why you guys like this so much. I mean, I get some of it, but it's sadistic for me, that's for sure. It's actually kind of enticing when it comes on. You think it's there. It's almost like a nose orgasm. Maybe that's why. As you see it coming, oh my Lord. Going to happen 2 minutes in and almost 3 minutes in, and but it's so much better with a beer doing it, that's for sure. Oh, dude. Okay, try again. See what I do for you guys? Dude, my eyes are sweating. That's it. Might be watering, but it feels like sweat. Whoa, dude. Oh. It's funny because I went to move my truck, and sorry for the wiggle. There's a lot of dust inside. And as soon as I got in, I sneezed twice, and I was, and I forgot my phone. So, you guys missed it. Okay. Keep doing it until I hit one. Oh, that was good. Wow, that's never happened before. One more. Oh, my Lord. 6 in a row. That was pretty good. That's pretty good. 6 in a row. See if we can get 4 more. Ooh, those nostrils are burning. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, my Lord. 7. Ooh, those eyes are... 8. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Oh, come on. I just need 2 more. Break the record. Hey. It's that wind coming in. Okay. God, this is painful. Must be like snuff back in the 16th century, 17th century. Ooh, ooh, this is rough. Oh. Oh. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Oh, that was a burp. That was a burp. That's 9. Come on. I think one more is coming. That's 10. Broke a record on it. So, 10 porn. Woo! Oh boy, that was good. Okay, so that's 11. I think I have one more coming. Whew, dude. Woo! That's 12. It's funny because the guy that I told you on the last video, or one of the videos that when I did the sneeze, that was like, fuck you. He's on my Facebook friends from high school, and he became a Marine afterwards, actually. And he's one of 3 brothers, Irish brothers, the youngest, and their parents owned a liquor store, and they called them Packies, half air quotes, which meant package stores. But it's like an East Coast thing. And I had a guy from New York City tell me, there's like, you Connecticut people. So I guess it's like a Connecticut, maybe Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Vermont kind of thing. But when we were 14, we swiped my stepmother's car when she was out of town. James, my buddy, who was her little brother, youngest brother, we were the same age, and he knew how to drive a stick from his mom or something. But my dad was in San Francisco. We were living at his mom's place. His mom had a huge house in Clinton, and to keep the mortgage or whatever, we moved in with her. So Linda was in there, and she was out of town. She went to visit my dad in San Francisco for a week, and we skipped school for a week and swiped the car keys. And how we got busted was James was raking and lost the car key and couldn't put it back, and then got called out on it, and we got ripped. We got ripped a new one. But we had fun for a week, and dumb fucks that we are. She had a two-tone Datsun 240 ZX with T-tops, blue and silver, snazzy, metallic flake finish, and license plate that said Lynn F, which was standing for Linda Fox, but Lynn F, so Linda F Fox. 13,000 population town, and they knew that she was out of town. I mean, it was like they saw her car driving around during the day. They were like, wait a second, isn't Linda out of town? Just dumbasses, but we had some fun times. Anyways, those are your porn sneezes, your nose orgasms. So cheers, and we'll talk to you guys later.